In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Calendar using the easiest method possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate your scheduling process seamlessly. So if you're ready to integrate Notion with Google Calendar, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Zapier account. Zapier is an automation tool that connects different apps to automate workflows. Once you're logged in, locate the Create Zap button and give it a click. This action will allow us to start building our automation, also known as a Zap. Once you've started creating your Zap, it's time to set up your trigger. In the search bar, type Notion and then select it as your trigger app. Essentially, the trigger app will be the one that starts the automation process when a specific condition is met. After selecting Notion, you will be prompted to choose a trigger event. A popular choice here is New Database Item. This means that any new entry you create in your Notion database will trigger the Zap. Now let's go ahead and connect your Notion account to Zapier. You'll be asked to authorize Zapier's access to your Notion account, so just follow the prompts to complete this connection. Once your accounts are linked, all you have to do is click Continue. The next step is to choose the specific Notion database you want to use as the trigger. Select the appropriate database, and then once again click on Continue. Before everything is set in motion, it's important to test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. Simply click on Test Trigger. Once the test is complete, you can proceed with confidence by clicking on Continue with Selected Record. With Notion set up as your trigger app, it's time to define your action app. In the search bar, type Google Calendar and select it as your action app. This is the app where subsequent actions will be carried out based on the trigger. Now let's choose an action event. A common one is Create Detailed Event. This means that whenever the trigger is activated, a new event will be created in Google Calendar based on the details you specify. Next, connect your Google Calendar account to Zapier by authorizing access. Once connected, click Continue, and then select the Google Calendar where you'd like events to be created. This is the calendar that will be updated with new entries from Notion. At this point, you'll be mapping properties from your Notion database to your Google Calendar. For example, you can map a property like event name from Notion to the summary field in Google Calendar. Similarly, map the description property accordingly and ensure you do the same for the date property by linking it to the start time and end time fields in Google Calendar. After mapping these fields, click on Continue to advance. You'll then reach the test step where you'll click Test Step to verify everything works smoothly. Once the test finishes successfully, it's time to finalize. Click Publish and your Zap will be live, automatically creating Google Calendar events based on your Notion entries. And just like that, you've connected Notion to Google Calendar effortlessly. Enjoy your newfound productivity.